everyone, it's Steph, and today I'm here with an unboxing video from something that was sent to me by this company called Ghost Democracy. Ghost Democracy reached out to me through email offering to send me this set, I presume, of their skincare products. They're a skincare product company. Checking on their website, they say that their philosophy is based around 3 guiding principles: a higher standard of clean, less chemicals equals more actives, and accessible to everyone. What these mean apparently is that there's no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, essential oils, fragrance, drying alcohols, formaldehydes, phthalates, synthetic dyes, PEG compounds, MEA, DEA, TA, or EDTA, etc. And accessible to everyone means that they don't have retail mock-ups, so they just send it straight to you. So I believe their pricing is decent. Let me take a look. I haven't opened the box that they sent me at all, so I don't even know what they sent me. But their stuff is fairly priced. Their cleanser's $24, their facial oil's $38, vitamin C serum, that's $34. They have a hyaluronic acid serum, which is $34. I mean, like, it's kind of pricey-ish, actually, honestly. But I mean, if it works well, then it would be worth the price. So I'm going to unbox this so we can see what exactly they sent me, and then I will practice using these for a while, and then I guess we'll see what sort of difference they can make. This is the box that they sent me. I should probably do something about my address on them so you don't see it. Okay, so this is the box that they sent me. It's really cute. It has their brand right here, and then you can see, where is it? Right here too, they also have this cute little ghost that also tells you to tear off there. You can go ahead and do that. Their website is just ghostdemocracy.com. Cute! Okay, so this is what the box looks like. Yeah, and so it tells us everything that I was talking about that the company stands for: higher standard of clean, less chemicals equals more actives, and accessible to everyone. And then they have this cute little card here. I like the tissue paper. There's cute little ghosts on it. Okay, let me see what this is. There's little samples here. It says, "Thank you for your order. Your skin thanks you too. We think receipts belong in your inbox and out of this box, which is why you won't find a paper copy here. If you have any questions, please let us know." That's interesting and nice. And then they sent me, I believe these are little sample sizes. It's Boomerang Firming Eye Concentrate. I'll show you. 2 little packets of these guys. Right here, they say, "This daily moisture boosting serum visibly hydrates, firms, and smooths. Quick absorbing, lightweight, and non-irritating for all skin types. And they're cruelty-free and vegan." So set that aside, and let's see what else is in here. Okay, so there are 3 boxes in here, as you can see. So they have sent us this. The packaging's really cute and interesting. It's got like a texture to it, and there's like a little ghost at the top. I don't know if you can even tell because it's just plain white, but it's cute. This is the Clean Lightweight Daily Face Moisturizer. The About is this oil-free lightweight daily face moisturizer intensely hydrates for refreshed balanced skin all day, non-greasy and quick absorbing. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out of the box. I figure I have to look up exactly how long it takes for skin to adjust to new skincare routines. Oh, and when you open it, it's got this cute little graphic here, further enhancing the feeling of being clean. Oh wow, look at that. It's a pretty hefty size moisturizing tub too. See if it has, I don't know if it'll have any scents or anything, but oh yep, it's scented. I don't know how to describe it. It just kind of has like one of that clean green kind of smells. It smells pleasant. Next up, we have this guy right here, which is the Light Bulb Vitamin C Serum. Looks like this. The About says, "This waterless daily brightening serum evens and enhances the appearance of skin tone and texture. Quick absorbing, lightweight, and non-irritating for all skin types," like everything else. And just like the other package at the top, they have this cute patterning texture with this little ghost on top. Same deal, they have this cute little water graphic there. Oh wow, it's got a little dropper. So this is what it looks like. Very neat, very sleek. This guy up here is like a little, yep, dropper, so that'll be interesting. And then last but not least, there's this transparent, gentle exfoliating daily cleanser, which is interesting. The About for this is the sulfate-free daily face wash gently cleanses and exfoliates without stripping skin of its natural moisture. Oil-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, paraben-free for all skin types. There's a sunburn alert here, which says this product contains an alpha-hydroxy acid that may increase your skin's sensitivity to the sun, and particularly the possibility of sunburn. use sunscreen, wear protective clothing, and limit sun exposure when using this product and for a week afterwards. I don't spend a lot of time outdoors anyways, but I guess that's something to be aware of with these products. And the directions for this one just say wet skin, massage over face, no need for harsh rubbing, and then rinse. Let's take a look at what's inside this box. This is a big old tube right here. Wow, it's pretty good. So this is how it looks. I guess it doesn't have a scent or anything. It looks like a clear gel. If I do this, oh, but there's like a little bit there. You can kind of see. Hopefully, it's like a little transparent, but it looks to be like a clear gel. It feels slippery and water-like, and it's definitely water soluble. So very interested to try this out. Okay, and that is it for everything that was in that box. The only thing left at the bottom is they have their social media information, which I will drop in the description down below as well. It says learn more at ghostdemocracy.com. We'd love to hear from you at ghostdemocracy on Instagram and Facebook. So I believe they're also relatively new. I don't know too much about the company. I haven't heard very much about them or anything, so I'm very grateful to them for allowing me to try out their products. I'll see how it goes. So it takes about 28 days, according to Google, for skin cells to completely turn over in the face. I suppose the date right now of me recording this is Friday, November 22nd, so I guess we will see if I use these products the way that they are meant to be used for about a month. Around Christmas time, I'll see exactly what these products do to my face. So I'll have a little close-up of how my skin texture is, I guess, which is going to be kind of like weird, but hey, I'm wearing makeup, so it's hard to see exactly what my skin condition is like. I will also take some before and after pictures, and then probably in about a month be back with a before and after video to really check out and see what the effects of this product are, and if it's good, and if I would actually recommend it. So hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing video. Super grateful to receive these items and test them out. So thank you so much, Ghost Democracy, for the opportunity. I will eventually be making more videos talking about skincare and stuff like that, because I do think it's really important to have that discussion hand in hand, especially when it comes to stuff like makeup. But if you have any other preemptive questions, comments, concerns about skincare or anything like that, as always, make sure to let me know in the comments down below. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video or are looking forward to seeing what this product does, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.